Is the standard two-function grabber arm not quite enough for your projects? Deep Trekker has partnered with Reach Robotics to deliver their very capable Reach 5 Alpha Manipulator on the Revolution ROV. Deep Trekker's standard grabber has two functions: open-close and roll rotation of the claws. The 5-function manipulator adds two bending points at the elbow and shoulder, in addition to the lateral yaw motion at the shoulder. The intuitive jointed joystick controller flattens the learning curve with natural responses to your movements. Hundreds of these specialized manipulators are used throughout the world for non-destructive testing, explosive ordnance disposal, and salvage missions. This system is best suited for two operators, one using Deep Trekker's bridge controller, while the other manipulates the arm using Reach's master arm controller. We highly recommend adding a Doppler velocity log or DVL sensor to allow for autonomous